Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a juicing video. So we'll be using celery for this healthy drink. Celery is filled with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce high blood pressure. It helps to reduce sugar and lowers cholesterol. So, and the cucumber also helps with weight loss, helps with digestion, filled with antioxidants, and also helps with bone health. So you can see my celery. I just got it from the market. It's not washed yet. Everything is still the way it is. So I'll be removing the roots of the celery. I'm not going to use the root for this part of it. I'm going to take it out. Then I will be cutting out the leaves of the celery from the stick. So what I want to use for this juice is the stick of the celery. So after cutting the celery, I'm going to dice it into smaller cubes in a way that my blender will be able to blend it easily. So that's how you can do it. You can, if your blender is can blend it as a stick like that, you can add yours like that. So I'll also be cutting the cucumbers into smaller cubes to make it easier for my blender to blend. So I'll go ahead and wash it off camera, then I'll come back. So I'm done washing. This is the last washing. I'm throwing it into my blender now to continue with the juicing. So after washing it, what I do next, you just add a cup of water. It depends on the quantity of juice you're making. So you just add water, but I added just at least a cup of water to this to make it easier for the blending. So I'll go ahead and blend it now and get everything into the juice. So we are done with our blending. I'm just going to transfer this into our glass cup. So just pour it into the glass or whatever cup you want to use to drink it. I'm just going to transfer it into the cup I want to use to drink it. So now I'll be adding 1 lemon to this drink. This drink will not be complete without the lemon, because lemon is also filled with rich in antioxidant. It helps with to boost skin appearance. It helps in weight loss. In fact, it's rich in so many things. So this is the magic behind this drink. The celery and the lemon and the cucumber, these 3 ingredients together helps with weight loss. So take this in the morning on an empty stomach. Take it on an empty stomach, but here I'm taking it at night. Can take it in the morning and take it in the night, but at least once in a day. Just take this for like 2 weeks. You tell me what the changes you see in your body. You just, after like 4 or 5 days, you start feeling lighter because all the cholesterol in your body will be gone. So guys, that is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Click the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload content like this. And you can check out my other videos in my channel. I have a lot of videos both on natural hair, lifestyle, and a lot of other videos that might interest you. So guys, I thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.